Now, a new government review says that fluoride that we use to prevent cavities, right, can lower a child's IQ. I definitely needed more info before making my own decision on the subject. So the other day, I spoke to Integrative Biological Dentist Dr. Griffin Cole to get his opinion and ask about our alternative options. Dr. Griffin, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
No problem. You got to tell me because I am not sure at all. What is a biological dentist?
Yeah. So you know what? We're like a functional medicine doctor. We treat the whole person, and not just the mouth. And what I mean by that is, if somebody comes in with cavities or they've got gum disease or whatever, we want to know the underlying cause of this. What's the underlying cause of their symptoms? Not just that they had too much sugar necessarily, because oftentimes there's a systemic component. So we're just more thorough in that regard. And also, we won't work with any materials that we know are toxic to the human body, things like mercury, nickel, and fluoride.
Yeah, so we are talking about fluoride today. Can you tell me what is the worry surrounding, ingesting too much fluoride and how much is too much? Break it down for me.
Yeah, yeah, I will. So too much fluoride can affect all of the organs in our body, and has. But lately, we know it now affects brain function and activity, and we know this because the National Toxicology Program, which is part of Health and Human Services, uh, did their job recently, and they reviewed 52 worldwide studies and found brain impairment, including lower IQ, on babies born to moms who ingested fluoridated water during pregnancy.
Wow. So how did they get a chance to measure the amount of fluoride in those expecting mothers?
Yeah, so what they did was they compared the urinary fluoride concentration, the amount of fluoride in the urine of the pregnant moms who drank fluoridated water, excuse me, and compared to the moms who also gave birth to children but did not ingest any fluoridated water. And according to a majority of the studies and confirmed by the National Toxicology Program, there was a steep drop in IQ, up to 7 points, at levels much lower than what's in our water supplies right now.
So I need to know, how would we maintain a healthy smile without the fluorinated water?
It's easy. It's a combination of a good diet, right? And I mean one where you're obviously low in sugar, but high in vegetables, particularly green leafy vegetables, plenty of good fats and ample protein. I mean, stuff that we've known for a long, long time. But couple that with good home care, good practices, brushing and flossing daily. When you brush your teeth, spend 2 minutes doing it. It's not a quick thing. Brush your tongue. You can rinse with warm salt water too. That gives a great antibacterial effect in the mouth. So a combination of a good sound diet and good home care practices. Honestly, that's all you need to avoid most oral problems.
Yeah, I've started telling people about tongue scrapers. They are the
Yeah,
best thing ever. I love them now.
yeah, it's true. A lot of stuff resides on the back of that tongue. Clean it daily.
Absolutely. Well, doctor, thank you so much for being here. We really appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate the time.